No matter what step of the shipping process you handle, having a secure way to ship freight is integral to your success. That's why Holy Express Logistics empowers shippers, truckers, and manufacturers with comprehensive freight transportation arrangement for both dry and refrigerated cargo. Holy Express Logistics is the premier choice for freight shipping due to our long-standing presence across the industry, our commitment to outstanding customer service, and the level of care we take when rendering our products and services for all of our clients. The way you ship can define how well your business will do. Don't take chances with your client's cargo. Make the freight transportation arrangements that will get the job done on time and with everything arriving as it should. Holy Express Logistics, connecting America's businesses. Go online to holyelogistics.com to learn more or call 209-846-0955 today.